woke up few minutes back. It's somewhere around quarter to nine. Huh? Look, uh, you have work. Don't create any false deals. Deals, huh? Including me. Matlab that I made some kind of. I didn't do any kind of deal, right? I didn't do any kind of deal. I just gave it away. You know how stupid it will sound. I was offered money in crores there, and I gave here for a few bucks. How stupid it sounds. How stupid it is. I was getting offers there. What do you call it? Many suggested me deals, which I didn't do. Look, the main reason was to get my defamation out. Main thing was they can have it. Take it. Don't create any false deals. Huh? I cannot live a defamed life. You think this? I don't want this thing, defamation. So you have that thing, work on it. Stop creating false deals. I didn't deal anyone, I just gave it away. Not for the money. So probably we people are not for the gold, for the glory. If my glory says that glory needs that I have to drop some package down in my road, I'll drop my package down and I'll move forward. So we are not for the gold, we are for the glory. So now do you know why they say that even if we spend a tenner, it's called as royalty. Now do you get it? Even if we spend our tenner, they call it royalty. I guess these people have seen first time people like me. So, so don't create any false deals. I request. Okay? And it will mess up my book as well. But no, it's gonna come there. And what will happen? That deal will be investigated. Huh? And the same way, 50,000 deals, you made that deals. That's why I'm telling this. Those 50,000 deals, the deals which happened in Chembur, here, there, wherever. So you made it, and that deal will be investigated. Be careful. Why you are getting it by your, what do you call it? Just like that, use it, na, Baba. Take it, na. You want it desperately, take it. Don't create any deals. You will get fucked. In this thing, I won't get anything. I won't suffer anything in false deals which you are creating. I won't suffer anything, nothing, because they will investigate the deal, and they will also investigate all the 50,000 deals. They put all the 50,000 deals on your head, which you cannot afford that, right? Which will be a mess of your life. I am bringing you out. I am bringing you people out from the mess, and you people are just running inside, running towards that mess. So, uh, get this thing clearly. Don't create anything. Then those deals were also made by you. That's gonna put in. That's gonna happen. I didn't deal with anyone. I don't deal. So probably keep your hand like this, never like this. Okay. Look, my way is very easy. Why you find it hard, I still don't get it. I just gave it away. I said that I gave it away. It will happen. Look, if I won't give it here, I go move somewhere else. One day I get fed up from here, I move somewhere else. Huh? That over there also happens the same thing. The baggages are with me. Huh? The baggage of burden is with me, right? So when I move from here, so whenever I go anywhere, behind my back I get defamed, and at that new place the entire team is set. So when I move from here somewhere, I go anywhere. So you won't do this at least. You got what you needed, and in return, look, money is just a paper made by the government. Huh? But it's valuable in what do you call it? Exchange thing. But I already got what I wanted. It's called the freedom. Don't overpay me and don't create false deals. This will put you in trouble, not me. As I said, I want you people to get out of trouble, and don't, you people are running into it, running towards it. Take it, uh, get some chap from the building, get my neighbors, talk to speak with each other. Keep your ego aside. आपस में कुछ रहेगा तो talk to each other, see what can be done and what can you do together. Engagement. See what can be done. You were talking about me to scam me. Now why you cannot talk that you want to be together, work with each other? Why you want to speak this? Why you don't speak this? Talk it out with each other. Huh? Don't create any false deals. All the deals will land on your head. Please be careful. I request. I said it's my words are enough. I have that reputation. My words are enough.